Hello and welcome everyone, this is your friend Himal. In this video I'm gonna show you, how to make Linux Mint full screen in VirtualBox. Go to Storage inside Setting, and attach the ISO disk file of Linux Mint. Now again start the Linux Mint system. Now you can see full screen resolution is not working. You have to follow these steps to view it on full screen. Click on Devices, and choose Insert Guest Edition CD image. Now again run off the system, and go to the settings. Go to Display and change the graphics controller. Again start the Linux Mint system.